Your daughter. Can you father a child? Yamunwa. Can you father a child? Yamunwa. Give itinara. Iwepo. 1 minute man. Yamunwa.
Ikechi.
Nayo. Sir. Nay.
Who is that? Onye Eku. Oh, beauty. Are you done fetching water?
Yes, I'm done. I should go. Sir, I will start heading home. No.
You've done nothing. Thank you very much. I have leftover little food in the kitchen. Can I get it for you?
I thought your wife traveled.
Yeah, she traveled. But I was the one that used to cook. Do you remember? So, can I get you the food?
No, I can't check there. Mom's no. My mother cooked at home.
Your mother cooked at home? So you don't want to test my food? I understand. My daughter, you'll be going. I'll come back later to see your mother. Oh?
No problem, sir.
It's bon.
It's wider.
It's bon. Wonderful girl. It's bon. Beauty. So, a woman can do all this. Yeah, why give me? Is it possible that a woman can fetch 10 pots of water a day? Why get you? No budget. And her face and countenance is still bright. Hey! What did I marry? Did I marry a wife or a knife? Can you know if I'm one? You have a wonderful meal here. My daughter.
I will be heading home now.
Come this side. My daughter, come. Bia. Come. Bia. Sit. Norana. Sit down. Norana. My daughter. Adam. You know I've been calling you daughter for the first day. From that first day I met you at the farm. Imana Pogi one. Sitting in the izizi. So, come when Munyemu Jebere, You've been more than a daughter to me. I want to ask, ask my number. Will you marry me? Eganum.
Never. Nayo. Mazi eze.
Onye? Who? Who is it? Who are you? Nah.
My name is Obiageli.
Your name is Obiageli. Aha, give Obiageli. Ibarili. Hey, Ibarili.
I came to look for Mazi eze. I came to look for Mazi eze.
Why are you looking for my husband? Can you just tell him?
Yes.
You're looking for my husband. Why are you looking for my husband? Can you just tell him?
I came for a message. I came.
So you are the one that have been brainwashing my husband. Or give one brainwash the mama. Eh? Ochako maka. Ezike zirige. Ngwabia naba. Yake naba. Izaga. Ewu. So give one brainwashing my husband. Naba di manore. My husband is not at home. Ochako maka. Atoko ma. No wonder. No wonder. Eh, Kansekwa, no wonder this man. This man have been having things in this house. Have been having things in this house. Maybe that man. Mbugodia. So, hey, what's not happening? I'm talking to you. Give a kanagwa. I am talking to you. Give a kanagwa. Who is Obiageli? Who is Obiageli?
This woman, allow me to rest.
Who is Obiageli?
Allow me to drink.
Who is Obiageli? Who is Obiageli?
Obiageli is the daughter of Nkechi. My daughter, I took her as a daughter.
Your daughter. Your daughter. Can you father a child? Can you father a child? Give itinara iwepo. 1 minute man.
Nkechi, you have to stop. I mean, you go there, you have to stop here now. Go there, Kosia. I've told you that I have nothing to do with that poor girl. That girl is innocent of whatever accusation you are trying to create.
Innocent. She is innocent. She came here. All the innocent. Izaga, why is she looking for you?
I have said this and I will not like to repeat myself again. I'm a man, and remember, in my culture and tradition, I'm entitled to more than one wife.
You are entitled to more than one wife. No,
Ugodia Amaka.
So, you want to marry a wife?
Ugodia,
you want to marry a wife?
You will kill me.
Come and marry, let me see. Come and marry, let me see.
You will kill me.
So, you brought wine.
I am African man.
You are an African man.
If I want to marry 30 wives, I'm entitled. It's my tradition.
It's a lie.
It's my culture.
Not in this house.
You cannot stop me.
Who is that beggarly to you?
I told you countless of time. She's just a little poor girl.
She's just a little poor girl. You took as your daughter and she came
here. Why
is she looking for you?
You want to kill me? You will kill me.
That yam inside. Who brought the yam?
You will kill me.
So she's your daughter.
Can you leave me?
Yes or no? Did she cook for you? Don't touch me.
Can you leave me? Let me explain to you. Can you leave me? Let me explain to you.